How to water air plants. Air plants, also known as Tillandsia, are popular, low-maintenance houseplants that don't grow in soil. Instead, they pull the bulk of their needed nutrients from the air. To keep your air plant healthy and happy, it needs water about once a week. Bottled or filtered tap water works best. Avoid watering your air plants with distilled water since the distillation process removes important nutrients. Method 1. Soaking loose air plants. 1. Fill a clean tub, bucket, or sink with bottled or filtered tap water. Choose a container or receptacle that can easily accommodate all of your air plants. Add room temperature bottled or filtered tap water to the container. Make sure you use enough water to fully submerge each clump. Always clean out the container before using it to water your air plants. Avoid using distilled water for this since the distillation process removes crucial nutrients. 2. Submerge your air plants in the water. Air plants don't grow in pots or soil, so you can easily gather the small, loose clumps with your hands. Place each clump in a water bath and push it under the surface. You can soak multiple air plants simultaneously. If your air plant is mounted to a surface, like a heavy shell or piece of driftwood, you'll probably need to mist it instead of submerging it. 3. Soak the plants for 15 minutes and shake off the excess water. The air plants may float up to the surface as they soak, which is fine. Just make sure the majority of each clump stays submerged for the full 15 minutes. Then, grab each clump, remove it from the bath, and shake it off to get rid of excess water. Excess water tends to collect between the center leaves if you don't give them a gentle shake first, which can eventually lead to rot and other issues. If your air plants are particularly dry, leave them in the water for up to 1 hour. 4. Place each clump upside down on a paper towel to air dry completely. Air drying typically takes about 30 minutes, but large or intricate clumps can take longer. You can touch the center leaves with your fingertips to check for moisture. Return the plants to their original locations once they're totally dry. Always place clumps upside down to air dry so excess moisture can drain away. 5. Repeat this process weekly to keep air plants healthy. If the leaves look pale green and feel soft, water the plant more often. Curled or rolled leaves also indicate dehydration. During the winter months, you can reduce watering to every 2 weeks.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.